Welcome back to Restoration Made Simple. I want to share my tip of the day, and this is an important one, and you're going to have to prepare for it now. Make sure you always have a backup plan. Now you ask yourselves, what do I mean by backup plan? What I mean is that you have 2 or 3 companies, they might be competitors, maybe not, that are smaller companies that do mitigation work, that do carpet cleaning, that in case your company ever gets busy, you're able to give these guys a phone call. I always had at least 3 or 4 smaller companies that I'd reached out to months prior, said, hey, if we ever get busy, would you guys ever want to come and help us out at a discounted rate? You have to understand, for a lot of these small companies, if they don't have work, they'd much rather be making money than sitting at home and having their equipment do nothing. So make sure when times get busy that you've got those 3 or 4 guys in your back pocket. You can call them up and go, hey, we've got a really big extraction job. Do you want to come help out? Hey, we're all out of equipment. Do you guys have some fans and dehues? I know they're sitting in your shop. Typically what we would do, we had a split that we agreed upon. It was either a 70-30 split or 60-40. They would get the 70, we would get the 30. But the nice thing was we didn't lose the job. We kept our current client happy and we're able to get things squared away. So tip of the day, make sure you have a backup plan. Make sure you have 2 or 3 companies that you've worked out an agreement with that can come and help you out. Check us out on restorationmadesimple.com or follow us on our YouTube channel. Thanks, guys.